Now let's see how to calculate the NPV using Excel. The formula that you have to use is equals NPV. Open the brackets. First you will have to select the rate. So the rate that I have taken is 6%. Then you have to select the cash flows. Do remember, when you are selecting the cash flows, you have to select the cash flows from year 1 onwards. Don't select the year 0. Then close the brackets. Finally you have to adjust the year 0 cash flow, so I can type it as minus 100,000 like this. That is one option that I have. If not, what I can do, simply I can go and connect this particular cell. So here, why did I take it as a plus value? Already this is in minus, so I have to get a minus value. No, that's why I took it as plus value. If I take this one as minus, eventually it will become plus, then I will end up with getting a wrong answer. So here I want to get that minus, that's why I took it as plus. Then here you can press enter. Now I am getting NPV 10,376.19. So let me show you the formula again. Equals NPV, select the rate, then you have to select the cash flows year 1 onwards. Don't select year 0. Make the adjustment for the year 0 separately. So this is how you can find the NPV in Excel within few seconds.